Today I'm going to share the best banks in Paraguay, the requirements for opening up a bank account, the benefits of the accounts, and the initial deposit requirements. I'm going to be giving you 3 banks in this video, but if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus bank. So make sure you watch this whole video. The first bank is Banco Atlas with branches all across the country. What do you need to open up an account at Banco Atlas? You need a photocopy of your Paraguayan identification card or your passport. If you are a resident of Paraguay, then you're going to bring your Paraguayan identification card with you when opening up the bank account. Banco Atlas also needs your work certificate or wage payments. So if you can bring something like a salary slip with you, you should be able to open up the account. Banco Atlas also wants you to prove your address. So how you do it is by bringing a copy of a private service bill with you. And we're talking about internet, water, electricity, and you should be good to open up the account. With Banco Atlas, you get access to their mobile app. If you want to receive notifications from Banco Atlas, you can do so by enabling the push-in notification on your mobile app, or you can choose SMS notification or email notification. All right, let's talk about the minimum deposit requirements for a current account. Checking account. If you want to open up an account in Warani, you need to deposit 2.5 million Warani, which is slightly under $400 US. To open up an account in US dollars, you need to deposit at least $2,000 into your local bank account. The minimum monthly account balance is the same as the minimum deposit requirement. If you want to open up a savings account with Banco Atlas, you need to deposit at least 200,000 Warani into the Warani account or $500 into the US dollar account. So this is for saving accounts. If you want to open up a bank account with Banco Atlas, please go to bancoatlas.com.py. Next we got Banco Itau. What do you need to open up a bank account with Banco Itau? Itau or Itau, however it's pronounced. To open up a checking or savings account with Banco Itau, you need your Paraguayan identification card. If you happen to be from Brazil, Argentina, Chile, or Bolivia, you can take your identification card from those countries. You also need a copy of your public or private service invoice as proof of address. When it comes to opening up a bank account with Itau, you can open up an account in the local currency, which is the Paraguayan Guarani or US dollars. Given your work history, you may be able to qualify for a credit card with Itau. What's great about Itau Bank is that you can get a Visa card, a MasterCard, an American Express card, and your credit card may come with several benefits associated with entertainment. We're talking about cinemas, theaters, all the fun stuff. What are the minimum deposit requirements at Banco Itau? To open up a bank account in the local currency, you will need to deposit at least 4 million Warani. If you want to get an account in US dollars, the minimum deposit requirement would be $6,000. And just to be clear, the minimum monthly maintenance requirement is the same as the minimum deposit requirement. Otherwise, fees may incur. To open up a savings account with Banco Itau, you need to deposit at least 2.5 million Warani into the local bank account or at least $2,500 into the US dollar account. Like I said, make sure you stay until the end of the video to not miss out on the bonus bank. If you want to get more information about opening up a bank account with Banco Itau, please visit itau.com.py. Sudameris is another big bank located in Paraguay, where you can open up a bank account as a foreigner. I know that I've been repeating myself a lot when it comes to the requirements for opening up a bank account, but I want to say it anyway. The requirements for opening up a bank account with Banco Sudameris is that you need either a Paraguayan identification card or your foreign passport. Also, you will need proof of income. So we're talking about your work certificate and or your salary slips. All right, let's talk about the benefits. You can pay for private and public services through e-bank, which stands for electronic banking. As for the other banks we talked about, Sudameris offers 24/7 access to ATMs, locally and internationally. All right, let's talk money. What are the minimum deposit requirements for opening up bank accounts with Sudameris? To open up a bank account in the local currency, which is the Paraguayan Guarani, you need to show up with at least 3 million Guarani. To open up a bank account in US dollars, you need to deposit at least $2,500 into your US dollar account. For saving accounts, the minimum deposit would be 1.5 million Warani, which is slightly above $200, or $1,000 for a US dollar account, or 3,000 euros for a euro account. So as you can see, the banks we're talking about, they're allowing you to open up bank accounts in foreign currencies, which is pretty cool. Since you've made it to the end of the video, I'm now going to be giving you the bonus bank because you truly deserve it. The last bank I wanted to share with you in this video is Banco Continental. which comes with the following bank account opening requirements. You show up with your Paraguayan identification card or passport. As always, you need a work certificate and or salary slip. 4 million guarani for a bank account in the local currency. If you want to open up a bank account in US dollars, you would need to deposit at least $5,000 into that account. And if you want to get an account in euros, you would need to deposit at least 1,000 euros. As always, the minimum monthly requirement, maintenance requirement, is the same as the deposit requirement. For saving accounts, you're looking at 1 million guarani for the bank account in the local currency, $2,500 for the US dollar account, 1,000 euros for the euro account, and 2,000 Brazilian reais for the Brazilian account. The minimum monthly maintenance requirement is the same as the minimum deposit requirement, so that never changes with any of the banks that we discussed in today's video. Some banks require you to become a resident before they will open up a bank account for you. Other banks may not have such a requirement. If you're interested in opening up a bank account with any of the banks that we just discussed, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to help you open up an account. And if you are not a resident of Paraguay yet, please consider our services. Nomad Elite is a full package relocation agency that helps people from all over the world move to Paraguay, obtain residency, open up bank accounts, incorporate companies, and purchase real estate. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching Nomad Elite, and we'll see you on the next video.